Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and going straight to Marketplace. This is where listings are centralized. Once there, make sure you are signed in and allow location access so local results appear. Without it, you'll see irrelevant items. Tap the storefront icon on mobile or select Marketplace from the desktop menu. Then immediately apply basic filters, category, distance, and price to reduce noise. This first step saves time and surfaces items you can actually buy or sell, which is why we begin here. Once you have filters set, perform a focus search using precise keywords. If you need exact wording, wrap phrases in quotes. Make sure to switch sorting to newest for fresh listings or distance to find nearby options. This affects response speed and pickup feasibility. Next, refine with the price slider and category toggles so you're not scrolling irrelevant posts. Also examine the seller's profile and ratings before messaging, and consider joining local buy and sell groups to expand reach and find niche or high-demand items. You'll finish by contacting the seller with clear questions about condition, serials or flaws, and whether the price is negotiable. A concise message speeds replies. Once agreed, choose a safe payment method, cash at a public location or a traceable online transfer, and schedule pickup in a daylight, secure spot. If you're selling, write an accurate description and upload clear photos. If Marketplace doesn't appear or behaves oddly, report the issue, refresh the app, clear cache, or check location permissions. That usually resolves access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.